Good afternoon, and as you can probably see, I'm on top of a hill overlooking Hua Hin village at the moment. I'm going to go later on to I think it's called Bai Mai Market, which is over that way somewhere, which kicks off at 3 o'clock. I did attempt to go there last week, but due to the traffic and nowhere to park, I gave up. So I'm here a bit early, and yeah, plan is today to get there for 3 o'clock, spend a couple of hours walking around, do a bit of videoing. Looks like quite a busy, interesting place. So get some food there maybe. But for now, I've stopped up the hill, and let's show you where I am. So it's a temple. You can see it quite clearly from the road down the bottom, and I thought, okay, let's try and come up. But it's quite an impressive temple. Let's show you this guy. So he's quite tall, obviously. Let's go up and have a look. It's quite a pretty place. There's a few, I think they're called Ganeshes sitting around, and the odd gong to bang should you wish. But the flags need to be renewed by the looks of things, because yeah, obviously been shredded by the wind. I assume it must pick quite a bit of wind up here. But you've got let's go around this way. We've got more statues. Very quiet up here. There's a couple of people walking around, but I should imagine they're all getting ready for the market. So obviously different statues of Buddha, different gold balls. I don't know what these all represent, but you can put gold leaf onto them and do whatever. Yeah, quite an array of sort of statues and Buddhas and everything. Let's walk you along. There's some, I thought they were actual monks when I saw them, but they're not. Quite an array of Buddha statues and everything. Hope the shadow's not ruining it. The reclining Buddha. And then opposite them you have, I think, all the different monks that were followed the Buddha, should I say. Not were followed, that followed the Buddha. Quite impressive. The sitting Buddha, two of those. And then through here, got an ornate but quite small sort of main temple building. But it's nice. It's perched on top of the hill. You can see all the flags have been pretty much shredded. Let's take you down to show the size of the statue. I'm assuming that's the travelling Buddha. He's got his umbrella and his food bowl and walking cane. Maybe get the drone up, take a bit of picture, a few pickies around. Let's take you back and show you the view over Hua Hin. And then you do have the nagas. Oh, glad I didn't walk up there. The nagas protecting the walkway up. Yeah, luckily I parked at the top, so it's pretty empty. There's one car apart from mine up here. Some people have put some 1 baht coins on top of these great big balls. I suppose for luck, etc. And there's obviously the boat with a couple of 20 baht notes, an offering, etc. Money in the bowl in front of the Buddha, and the Buddha's body has got lots of satang and 1 baht coins on him. This guy's bowl hasn't got much in it, but he's got a few 1 bahts put over him and protected by the naga. I should imagine at night this is quite a pretty sight. Hopefully I might be able to get some video as the day goes on, because I'm here for the duration. They do have big lights, as you can see here, which point up towards the statue, and I should imagine at night time when it's all lit up it's going to be quite a sight. So we'll see if we can get some evening photos, but I may get the drone up in a bit before I go over to the market. I'm probably going to do 2 videos, this one first and then one over by the market. I think, I might be wrong, I don't know if you can see the building over, where are we, over, I'm trying to point my finger, somewhere there. I think that's the sort of market, but we need to get there sort of reasonably early to grab a parking space. I know not much will go on until about 5, but want to get there sort of early, have a butcher's and get settled. So yeah, maybe I'll do a bit of drone footage here, use my new drone. That's good English, isn't it? Me new drone. Should be my new drone, but welcome to England and the English language.